Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting a little bit dark this afternoon. I'm just getting my headborn Agapanthus because they've grown from seed, watered, cleaned up and put in the greenhouse. Also got all these to get ready. As you can see, I hope I haven't left it too late. I hope there hasn't been a bad frost. But these are Primrose, these that I got as plugs. I think Thompson and Morgan, they all need tidying up and a good watering feed. But yeah, that's what I'm concentrating on at the moment. These beautiful. Hopefully it's the second year, or next year's the second. It'll be a year and a half, 2 years next year I think. And hopefully I'll get some flowers off next year. But they're going in my heated greenhouse on the top. I need to get all the dead leaves, make sure, check them for slugs and snails. Bottom of the pots. Put them in the kitchen, giving them good water. So I shall get on with this, and I'll speak to you shortly. Thank you. Bye. Right, here we go. These are in the greenhouse now, they're being watered. These are my Agapanthus, headborn. Grown from seed about a year and a half ago. Should be like 2.5 years, or 2 years this time next year, and hopefully get some flowers off them. This is the second year they've been in the greenhouse for the winter, and I'm just going to show you what I go about doing when I'm putting them in the greenhouse. I'll get them ready. So first of all, I always have a tray there, like so. Always have a good look at the bottom, make sure there's no slugs or snails or anything like that. Then the top, pull out anything that's a little poppy seed there, any seedlings off the top, and then any dead or dying leaves. When that dies back, I'll cut that off, and that's it. That's that one ready. Off to that side, get another one. It's got a little bit, because if you leave these in, you're gonna get, it's gonna go bigger and bigger and bigger, and you want it to get enough nutrients and no competition. Yeah, it's the first time I've grown these from seed. I'm so looking forward to seeing how they flower though next year. That's a good thing about growing anything like this. People say, oh, it's a long time, 2 or 3 years. But I'll tell you something, it's well worth waiting for. You never know, I could have something really special that pops up. I've used a peat-based compost to grow these in, and these are what are they, 12cm pots, something like that. So yeah, if you've got any questions on how to grow these from seed, just watch some of the other videos, please, folks, and I'll show you how I start them off from seed there. I'll show you how to do this one. These here, I've got little pruners, so anything like this, right back to the main stem, because they'll just rot these if you leave them in. You have to do it like so. All the bits off the top. Yeah, I should have got these in probably a few weeks earlier, but as always, stuff gets in the way. Nothing on the bottom, no slugs or snails, that one's alright. And just a few more to go. So yeah, if you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. If you've got any questions that hesitate to ask, please give me a thumbs up and please click the bell. If you're on Facebook, please follow me. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Keep safe, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.